Section 1, Graphing Linear Equations with Tables. Homework assignment, we're going to look at number 18, and it says to sketch the graph of each line making a table of values that goes from -3 to 3. Okay, so we're going to look at 18. Now, we're going to make an XY table. We have to go from -3 all the way to +3. And we're going to plug those values in. So if we plug in a -3, we have y equals -1/2 times -3 minus 2. Now, -1/2 times -3 is the same as multiplying it times a -3/1, and that's top times top, bottom times bottom. So we would just get a +3/2 minus 2. And 3/2 minus 2, well, 3/2 is 1.5 if you want to look at it that way, minus 2 would then give you -1/2 or -0.5, however you want to write it. And if we plug in a -2, we have y equals -1/2 times a -2 minus 2. Again, -2 is the same as -2/1, and fractions multiplied is just top times top, bottom times bottom. So we have y equals a +2/2, which is 1, minus 2, and we get -1. If we graph it, all we need is 2 points to graph, but they require us to fill out the table. So if I finish this up, this would be -1.5, -2. If I kept plugging all these numbers in, -2.5, -3, and -3.5. If we graph all those, -3 and -0.5 is about there. -2 and -1 is about there. And then if we filled out those dots, we'd have a line like this. So just a process of plugging in our X table and getting Y's out and then connecting the dots. And that's it for graphing linear equations using a table.